In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Steam mobile games. If you want to play your Steam games on your phone, the simplest way to do it is by using game streaming. Instead of installing the full PC version of the game directly onto your mobile device, this method streams the game from your computer to your phone. In other words, your PC does the heavy lifting, and your phone acts like the screen and controller interface. It's a convenient option if you want access to your Steam library while relaxing away from your desk. The first thing you need to do is turn on Steam Remote Play on your computer. This feature is what allows your PC to send the game to another device over your network. Before moving on, make sure Steam is open and updated since that can help everything run more smoothly. Next, download the Steam Link app on your mobile device. It's available for both iPhone and Android, so just install the version that matches your phone or tablet. This app is designed specifically to connect your mobile device to Steam on your computer, and it's the main tool that makes the streaming process possible. Once the app is installed, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC and pair the devices. This step is important because both devices need to be on the same network for the easiest and most reliable connection. When you open Steam Link, it should begin searching for your computer automatically. Follow the pairing prompts on the screen to link everything together. After that, you'll be ready to access your Steam games from your phone through streaming. For the best experience, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable and that your computer stays powered on while you play. That's it. With Steam Remote Play and the Steam Link app, you can start enjoying your Steam library on mobile in a simple and effective way.